Hello friends! Today we are going to draw Keroppi. Let's start drawing together. First, we draw two big eyeballs. We draw the head like this. Round and cute like this. Then don't forget the mouth too. Then we draw Keroppi's body like a triangle. Now we draw two short legs at the bottom. Next, we draw Keroppi's two hands that are being raised. Like this, it's easy. We add a striped pattern to the shirt. And don't forget, draw a small ribbon on the shirt. Now we bold the picture to make it clearer. Hooray! Our Keroppi drawing is finished. Let's make him even more cute and cuddly. First, we put pink color on Keroppi's cheeks. Now it's time for coloring. Then put green color on his face, hands, and feet. Wow, Keroppi looks so fresh. We put red color on his shirt line. And we colored the ribbon black, so it looks clear. Ta-ra! Our Keroppi drawing is finished. Very good result. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next drawing video. Bye-bye, friends!